Chana dal is high in fiber, a rich source of protein, and also a good option for people who are on a low-carb or diabetic-friendly diet. These lentils have a sweet and nutty taste. In this video, we are going to cook this dish. So let's do it. Ingredients: 1 cup dal, 2 onions, ginger garlic paste, tomato puree, oil, fresh coriander and 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon hot madras, chili, coriander seed, Zira, Methi, Fennel Greek, mixed masala, salt, half teaspoon Kalonji and Ajwain. Method: Dal preparation. Pick and rinse the chana dal well in running water. Soak the dal in enough water for 1 to 2 hours. By the way, it's good to keep the dal one night before cooking, or you can use a pressure cooker for a quick cook. Now start heating oil in a cooking pot. After that, simply add onions and start frying them until becoming golden brown. Now it's time to add ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon hot madras, chili, coriander seed, Zira, Methi, Fennel Greek, mixed masala, salt. Add the chana dal and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes till you get medium consistency of the dal. Add water 500 to 550 milliliters water and cook for 30 minutes until water is vanishing. The chana dal is neither thick nor thin. In the end, garnish with chopped coriander. And that's it, now it's ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.